how to duplicate a page in WordPress. So in this simple tutorial, I'm going to explain you how you can duplicate a page in WordPress. And guys, before I begin, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So as you could see over here, currently I'm in my WordPress dashboard. I can just click on duplicate this and do it. So for this, the way I do it is I just go on plugins and I've installed a new plugin called duplicate page. So to install this is add new, and you can just type duplicate over here. And then once this is done, you can install this one. So that's it. But let's say you're using a page builder. So for me, I'm using Elementor on another website. So if I just click on add template, so I have saved my template over here. So you could see my sales page template is here, so I can load it that way as well. So this is for the page builder, and that's for a normal WordPress website. So whatever options you can choose, you could do that. For me, downloading the plugin is much more easier. And that's it for today's video, guys. And if you would like to learn about how you could double your website traffic, then I've created a free course. Go and check it out. The link is down below. And if you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing. Yawar Khan signing off.